Hello again, I'm Dr. John Shiftwell, and welcome back to Your Shift Health. Today we're going to be discussing preventative maintenance and repair. Maintaining a clean transmission fluid and maintaining your cooling system will help your transmission from overheating. Be sure to always check for abnormal smells, color, and check the level of your fluid regularly. If you're driving in hot temperatures or towing a heavy load, it's recommended to install an auxiliary cooling system. Symptoms of transmission problems could be improper shifts or grinding noises. Grinding and whining could be caused by the flex plate or the transmission mount. You can prevent these kind of issues by avoiding hard accelerations, and it's always a good idea to make sure your car is warmed up before you start driving. I'm Dr. John Shiftwell, and thank you for watching Your Shift Health. Join us next January for International Shift Awareness Month. And remember, visit monstertransmission.com, like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below.